Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. For me, I'm doing fine here in Kigali, Rwanda, and today I'm going to take you around as I'm walking by feet going to the town, to Kigali city town. So anyway guys, if you are new here to my YouTube channel, please remember to subscribe, like, comment and share my videos to your friend. We are heading to 1,000 subscribers and I wish we can make it by the end of this year. So guys, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. See how beautiful Kigali is. Yeah. So starting from here, this place is called Muhima. It's between Kigali city downtown and Nyabugogo bus park. So for me, I'm just going to walk by feet going up the hill and going to Kigali city town. So guys, as you all know, Kigali is the cleanest country in Africa. Yeah, and it's not hyping. As you can see, it's clean as it should be. The road and the garden, it's very clean and nice. Hey, anyway guys, I want to thank you guys for the love and support you always show me, and for now we are already on 417 or 18 subscribers. It's really mean a lot to me, and I really thank you for all the love you keep showing me, how you keep supporting me. It's a great support I can ever ask for. I'm really grateful to you guys. And I would like to thank other content creators who helped me to get out of my comfort zone, especially Grace D from Kenya, Auma from Uganda, and also Wanda Ngenzi from Rwanda. I thank them a lot. As you can see, this is my first video done outside in public. I know it's missing something, but still I'm trying my best to make videos outside of my comfort zone. So check out those YouTube channels and support them, and also keep supporting me so that I can do more videos for you guys. And also please check out my business account where I do crochets, wears, crochet outfits. This is the Instagram name. Please check it out and support me. For the ladies, I do beautiful bikinis for this summer, and for the male, for the men, I can make you some shorts or t-shirts or vest to wear on the beach. Please check it out and let me know what I can do for you. And guys, this one, this is called Sophia in Rwanda. And let me tell you a little bit about this fixed traffic camera here in Rwanda called Sophia. So it was named after an intelligent and popular robot called Sophia, which attended Transform Africa in May 2019 in Kigali. So this camera, which stands tall across all roads network in Kigali, including neighborhood streets and in countryside highways, has extremely challenged speeding drivers because it's a speed governor here in Kigali. So it has become an effective speed governor according to drivers, because they don't drive the way they want. Speeding like crazy. And once this Sophia shoots at you, the address, it shoots the address on the car. For overspeeding, you get a short message sent to your mobile number or your mobile phone, including fine and when they are due.
So the limit of speeding in Rwanda is 18 kilometer per hour. Per hour, and the fine for now is 25,000 Rwandan francs for fine if you are speeding in Kigali, Rwanda. So you have to know this before you come to Rwanda. And another thing you should know is that in Rwanda they drive on the right side of the road. They drive on the right side of the road. So you have to know this if you want to drive in Rwanda, even though there are some other regulations that must be followed, but those ones are the most important. And other thing you should know about Rwanda is you have to wear a helmet on a bike. Like it's a must to wear a helmet when you are using a bike, as you can see this one, and it has to be two people on one bike. It has to be two people on one bike. It's a must. It must be followed in Rwanda, everywhere in Rwanda. So to keep people safe, to keep you safe, to keep the driver, the bike guy safe, you have to wear a helmet. And also there are a lot of zebra crossing lines here in Rwanda. And when you are walking by feet and you pass the zebra line, whether it's bike or it's car, they have to stop for you to pass. That's also one of the things keeps Kigali safe. Whether it's in traffic, you have to be safe everywhere. And Rwanda is one of the safest country in the world. And also for the cleanness, there are a lot of dustbins. And also on every last Saturday of the month, there is this public work called Umuganda, where we all go to some places to do cleaning, to maintain the cleanness of the city or the countryside. And on this Umuganda, everything has to stop, apart from the health services, because Umuganda starts from in the morning up to 11 a.m. so that we can do Umuganda. And as you can see, this is the dustbin here in Kigali, Rwanda, and we have come across a lot of dustbin all the way down where we came from. So those dustbins, they are used to maintain the cleanness of this city. That's why Rwanda is the cleanest. Kigali is the cleanest city in Africa. Yeah.
As you can see, there is a park here. In Kigali, there's a lot of parks, maybe everywhere, where people can come and sit, you know.
As you can see, this is a nice garden with some seats in it where you can come and sit. Like for me, walking by feet, if I feel tired, I can just come here and sit. If that's what I did. It's here around this roundabout in Kigali city. You just come here, sit, you know, look at the view of Kigali city, some areas in Kigali. Yeah, it's quite a nice place. Yeah, it's just a nice place when you are feeling tired. You can just come here, you know. Guys, as you can see, I'm already in the city of Kigali, here around the car-free zone area. But you know, because it's my first video doing it alone, you know, in public place, I was a little bit nervous and I couldn't do a steady video. As you can see, my phone is moving, like, you know, the video is not very, it's not that great, but still I managed to take some clips, and I'm happy that I'm doing some improvements. So guys, I thank you so much for watching my video until this minute, and it's really mean a lot to me, the support, the love you keep showing me. And I'm planning to do more videos for you, because I know that practice makes improvement, and I know if I keep making videos in public area, I'm going to get somewhere better than I was before, better than where I was before. So keep supporting me, keep watching my videos, and keep leaving positive comments down below. And also remember to check out my friends' YouTube channels in the description box. And I hope I will see you in another video. If you didn't subscribe yet, please do so that we can hit 1,000 subscribers and you join that amazing 1,000 people. See you in my next video, and I love you all. Bye.